Welcome, barbers! Today we're comparing 3 barber apps that can revolutionize your business: Booksy, TheCut, and HaircutNow. Now, let's find out which one will help you take your barbering game to the next level. First up, Booksy. While it caters to a range of beauty and wellness services, it also offers a robust platform for barbers. With Booksy, you can manage appointments, accept payments, and even get reviews from your clients, all in one place. The pros? It's a comprehensive tool for managing your business. The downside? It might be more than you need if you're only looking for basic barbering features. Next we have TheCut. This app is tailor-made for barbers like you. It simplifies appointment scheduling, client management, and even offers analytics to track your business growth. Plus, mobile payments are a breeze. The pros? It's designed specifically for barbers, with features that cater to your unique needs. The cons? It's limited to barber services, so if you're looking to expand into other beauty services, it might not be the best fit. Lastly, we have HaircutNow. This app is all about simplicity and convenience. It's great for filling in last-minute cancellations and finding new clients looking for immediate appointments. The pros? It's free and straightforward and perfect for attracting walk-in clients. The downside? It lacks some of the advanced features offered by Booksy and TheCut because its main focus is finding you new clients, not helping you manage existing clients, which is why they don't charge a subscription fee. So, there you have it, barbers. Whether you're looking for a comprehensive platform like Booksy, a barber-centric app like TheCut, or a simple solution like HaircutNow, there's an app out there to suit your needs. Choose the one that aligns best with your business goals and watch your barbershop thrive. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your barbering business. Until next time, keep those clippers sharp.